Hi, my name is Suzanne Appany, and I'm a California attorney. I'm CEO of LawTake, as you can see in the background, and I'm creating this video for our collaboration with LexSub. And I'm also a partner of Alliant, which is an international law firm on 5 different continents. We have approximately 70 lawyers who focus on asset protection and international law. However, my focus is on business law, startups. I'm basically general counsel to a number of different companies, whether they're medical spas or talent agency or an online video streaming platform. I love being a business attorney. So I'm going to answer the question, how can attorneys provide value add-on services? And if you don't know what a value add-on service is, it's basically when a business provides a service such as, let's say, Starbucks offers a free subscription if you have their Starbucks card. They offer a subscription to Netflix or something. They throw in a perk, and it's an extra service that they throw in, and consumers are very appreciative of that, and helps increase loyalty by consumers. So why would an attorney want a value add-on service? Well, I want loyalty with my clients, and I also like to give back to the community and like to be generous with my time, so that way people appreciate me. And I really see the attorney-client relationship as a legal team. And so what did I do for a value add-on service? I created LawTake. LawTake is a website where attorneys can post not only legal documents like on LexSub. They're basically templates that the consumer or small business can download, fill out, save some in legal fees, and also put in some of the facts that can assist the attorney. But also it's really beneficial because we offer videos like this video. So the videos also are watched by the consumer or the small business. They can learn how to draft the document or fill out the information or accomplish a simple legal task. I've constantly told lawyers who don't want to reveal their secret sauce, just reveal a few spices, and it helps to increase loyalty with the consumer. And I think it really helps to work with the client as a team if it is your client. I know I have clients who are very appreciative when I'm like, you can download that on LawTake for only $99, fill it out. The pitfall is that with any consumer or layperson, even with attorneys who aren't doing a very good job, they could not fill out things correctly. So for example, one of my clients actually took my settlement agreement that I had drafted for him. It wasn't on LawTake, although there is a settlement agreement on LawTake, but he took one of mine and he tried to draft it and use it to settle a matter. And then he contacts me a few months later saying that he still wants to go after this person. And I'm like, well, I'm reading the settlement agreement and you released everything, all obligations. So, in that situation, he should have run, obviously, the agreement by me, and I would have put an exception for that. So I think that documents can be very helpful at times to consumers. I mean, I also had another client who downloaded the document from LawTake, and she was able to settle a matter. And you know what? It never came up. And I did look at it afterward because she sent it to me, and I was like, she could have, improved it a little bit, but that was the end of it. So I do highly recommend posting your videos, how-to videos, frequently asked question videos, and also documents that you have obviously redacted, and there's templates, there may be forms, and that will really serve to assist the community, I think. All right, thank you, bye.